UltraLite pads from DiversiTech are the lightest weight concrete pads available, only 2 pounds per square foot. They're ideal for use as bases for HVAC condensers and equipment, and their design makes them easy to handle and super fast to install, saving time and money on every job. Even though they're light, these pads are tough. The concrete external skin is UV and weatherproof and designed for long-term exterior weather resistance. They're also freeze and thaw safe and resistant against flames, chemicals, including popular refrigerants and coil cleaners, and canine urine. UltraLite pads are made of an EPS foam base, which absorbs vibrations and reduces weight, then a layer of a concrete composite on top for strength and durability. There's also a textured surface for stability and to prevent equipment from shifting around. They're available in dozens of popular sizes in both 2-inch and 3-inch heights. UltraLite pads are made in the USA by DiversiTech, the world's largest equipment pad manufacturer, and include DiversiTech's lifetime limited warranty. Get the easiest to install, lightest weight concrete pad available for your next project. UltraLite from DiversiTech.